What is Irish step dancing? If you've ever been mesmerized by the rapid footwork and elegant upper body posture of Irish dancers, you're probably wondering what makes this dance form so unique. Let's take a closer look at the history, techniques, and cultural significance of Irish step dancing. Irish step dancing has its roots in traditional Irish dance, which dates back to pre-Christian Ireland. The Celts and Druids used to perform dances as part of their religious rituals, often in circular formations around sacred trees. These early dances were accompanied by music and singing, and they played a crucial role in Celtic celebrations and gatherings known as Feis. Over time, Irish dance was influenced by various European dance forms, particularly the quadrille from France. By the 17th century, dances like the rinsifada or long dance were popular on social occasions. Traveling dance masters began teaching these dances across Ireland from the 1750s, creating different regional styles such as those in Munster, Ulster, and Connemara. In 1893, the Gaelic League, an Irish nationalist organization, sought to preserve traditional Irish culture and language. They rejected Irish set dancing, which they saw as too English, and instead promoted a new style of step dancing. This marked a significant turning point in the development of Irish step dancing, as it became more formalized and codified. Irish step dancing is characterized by its fast and precise foot movements, while the upper body remains relatively still. Dancers use two types of shoes: hard shoes, which make sounds similar to tap shoes, and soft shoes called gillies, which are similar to ballet slippers. Hard shoe dances include steps like clicking, trebles, and stamps, while soft shoe dances focus on lighter, more fluid movements. The dances themselves are highly structured. Each step consists of a sequence of foot and leg movements that last for 8 repetitions of 8 bars of music. Dancers typically start with the right foot and then switch to the left. This practice often results in dancers favoring their right leg over their left. Irish step dancing includes various types of dances, such as jigs, reels, hornpipes, and set dances. Jigs are danced to music in 6/8 time and include variations like the single jig and slip jig, which is exclusively danced by women. Reels originating from Scotland are danced in 4/4 time and require high energy. Hornpipes, which began in the mid-1700s, are similar to slow reels but have accents on the first and third beats. Costumes play a significant role in Irish step dancing, especially in competitions. Female dancers wear curled hair or wigs and poodle socks, while male dancers have neatly styled hair and plain black socks. These costumes are often custom-made and designed to attract the judges' and audience's attention. The popularity of Irish step dancing was significantly boosted by performances like Riverdance, which introduced a more theatrical and dynamic style to the traditional form. This change added arm movements and a more sexualized approach to the dance, which was both praised and criticized for its departure from traditional methods. Today, Irish step dancing is celebrated globally through competitions known as Feis, where dancers compete for medals and trophies. These events continue the ancient tradition of Feis as gatherings for music, dance, and cultural celebration. In summary, Irish step dancing is a vibrant and intricate dance form deeply rooted in Irish culture and history. Its unique combination of rapid footwork, elegant posture, and rich cultural heritage makes it a captivating and enduring part of Irish tradition.